Hi, it's Randy again. I wanted to talk to you about the third section in the book. It's called Entrances and Exits. As I began to collect stories and evaluate my own, I began to realize that there are events and people that enter and leave our lives. Every time something new or someone new comes into our life, we have to make some adjustments. And every time someone or some event leaves our lives, we have to make adjustments also. And if we don't handle these transitions well, we get stuck. As an example, I tell you I mentioned in the book that my dad died when I was 9. Very traumatic event. That was an exit. It was an exit that I was not exactly prepared to deal with. How do you handle death at the age of 9? A lot of good people around me, my mother, my brother, extended family, and friends. But the pain went underneath the surface. I didn't really honor it well. I didn't address it. And it influenced my life for a very long time. A couple of years later, my mother married again, married my stepfather. That was an entrance. I wasn't really ready for a new relationship. Unfortunately, I didn't handle that well either. And so those are two examples of where people and events have come into our lives or left our lives, and we have to work on those emotionally, mentally, and spiritually to be able to move forward in our journey. Here's a great little image. You can see the heart. Looks like there's 2 window panes open with a ribbon or a thread going through them. To me, that symbolizes how people and events come into our lives and leave our lives. So if you're still struggling with events and relationships from the past, it may be because you haven't worked through the way people came into your life and left your life. Let's work on that. You don't want to be stuck back there weeks, months, or years ago. You got too much to do now, too much life to live. If you want to buy the book, look at the top of the fan page. There's a small icon with the image of the book, Living Yes in a No World. Buy it, I'll sign it, ship it out to you, or you can get it on Amazon.com. Let's look at the entrances and exits and make the best of them so you can live the life that you have been called to live. Thanks.